In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a link from text, image, or button elements on your web page. This process is straightforward, and by following these steps, you'll ensure that your links are functional and intuitive for site visitors. First things first, you'll want to identify the element on your web page that you want to convert into a link. This could be a block of text, an image, or even a button. Once you've made your choice, go ahead and select the element. As soon as the element is selected, you should notice a toolbar appearing, generally right above or near the section you're working on. Look for the link icon here, which is quite similar, if not identical, to the standard chain link representation you might recognize from various other online tools. Once the link icon is visible, click on it. This action is your gateway to transforming the ordinary element into a navigational superstar. At this point, the process forks a bit, and you'll need to choose the type of link you want to create. Options generally include linking to another page within your site, navigating to an external web address, or perhaps even anchoring the link to a specific section on the current page. Let's dive into these options a bit more for complete clarity. If you decide to link to another page on your own website, it's simply a matter of selecting that page from a list of options likely provided within the interface. This is particularly useful for maintaining seamless navigation on your site, encouraging visitors to explore more of your content. If your goal is to direct your audience to an external web address, you'll need to manually enter the URL in the space provided. This option opens up the vast expanse of the internet to your visitors, leading them to resources outside your own site. Lastly, if you choose to anchor the link to a specific section, you will simplify the navigation within the same page. This is particularly beneficial on longer pages where users might need quick, direct access to different sections. After deciding where you want your link to go and entering or selecting the destination, you might want to configure additional settings. One common setting is the option to open the link in a new tab. Enabling this keeps your website open while allowing exploration elsewhere, which can enhance user experience by not disrupting their journey through your site. Once every setting is to your liking, don't forget the final step: save your work. Clicking the Save button will ensure all changes are locked in and ready to be experienced by the end users. And there you have it, a straightforward process for turning an element into a clickable link. Follow these steps and your web page will be a well-connected map, guiding your audience fluently to their destinations of interest.